Success is not whether you have a problem to deal with, but whether it's the same problem you had yesterday.
You had your home on the market and it did not sell. We are sincerely sorry that remains unfulfilled. You are probably discouraged and somewhat frustrated. Your feelings of disappointment are
selling your home. Please consider the following. When a problem exists, the only way to solve it is to identify and eliminate it. Problem is solved.
Because you had your home for sale, we're assuming the fact that you still own it is a problem. You wanted it to sell. Ownership problem can be solved. We must find out what it was that caused a loss of buyer interest. Didn't you and you sell?
When a home is exposed to the marketplace and does not sell, it remains unsold for 6 reasons. Those terms are condition, location, market conditions, and the marketing done by the agent.
Was your home priced correctly? Did the condition of your home make it appealing to buyers? Is the location attractive? Was the market? Did the agent who had your home listed aggressively market it?
The fact is that at least one or more of these 6 reasons caused your market to not sell. Now, the key identify successful reason or reasons caused it to not stimulate more action on the part of available buyers and to then make the needed adjustments. One is almost necessary correct is made.
How can you pinpoint the reason your home did not sell? A guess or haphazard attempt to identify the problem make things of and disappointment and frustration.
We have a unique tool designed to effectively pinpoint the exact reason or reasons which caused a home to not sell, the Market Performance Forecaster. With this forecaster, we can, in approximately 10 to 15 minutes, identify exactly why a home has been not sell. We will make specific suggestions about what changes must be made before a buyer can be found for your property.
If you would like to know the listed reason, your appropriate contact information can be found on the card attached to the jewel case in which
no
DVD.
No obligation for this service. And you can rest assured there will be no high-pressure sales tactics used during our meeting. And simply for action you can take to make it marketable.
I understand you may be skeptical. You may feel that the real estate community has let you down. After all, your home was on our multiple listing service. To show maybe one we did not sell it. Please keep in mind that until we have a home listed, we cannot implement our profit-maximizing marketing system. Only after being tried by a maximum number of buyers. We do so through multiple websites, direct marketing mailers, our Choose a Neighbor program, multi-source advertising, direct other realtors, door knocking, open houses, etc. Because we were marketing system could not be implemented. We have the most aggressive marketing plan in the world of real estate. We leave no stone to find.
Working together, we can discover the reason your home did not sell and make the needed corrections. Our goal is to help you with the fewest inconveniences. Please call today. You won't be disappointed.